Choosing the right print settings for consistent high-quality results can be challenging. Smart print settings remove the guesswork. Smart print settings are presets to automatically apply the recommended print settings based on your product and material. With a single selection, SPU configures key settings such as print quality, color handling, and mirroring, so everything is set correctly before you print. This works across both SubliJet and VersiFlex ink types, giving you a consistent starting point for every job. You can still make adjustments where needed. For example, when printing on a glass cutting board, you may want to turn mirroring off when printing for reverse side application. The result is simple. You get reliable, high-quality output faster with less manual setup. Smart print settings help you reduce errors, save time, and print with confidence.